Hello, hello, hello. Let's do a morning analysis together. I'm currently in a trade. It's a little painful watching it play out right now, but I got into a trade around here, so it was way past the first hour of London, which has historically been bad for me in all of my back testing. But I don't really know what gold is doing right now. Like, why are we not going up? But then again, I got into this trade for a reason. I felt confident. I feel like the more I sit on this chart, the more I'm gonna be like second guessing my decision, but I made the decision. It's already there, so it is what it is. It's a really good setup. So I've been looking at the charts pretty much all day. I haven't done a official morning analysis like I am right now, but I have been on the charts throughout the day, just checking in on price action and watching what price action's doing. Obviously, we had FOMC which pushed price up. That's just my recap that's downloaded. We had a high broken here, so we had an indication and a correction. We could see price making a continuation on the 1 hour. You can see a very clear continuation on the 1 hour, selling off, rebalancing in FOMC. So we'll have to see what happens in New York Open. But this is the trade that I have at the moment. It looks like it's just invalidated one of my levels, which is just great. Okay, we're breaking lows. Okay, cool. Whether or not this trade plays out, it's honestly okay because I'm very confident in this analysis and I feel very happy that I took this trade. If I didn't take the trade, I would have been very frustrated at myself because I feel like I don't take very many trades, and that was a perfect opportunity when I had seen the trade. I don't know, like, some people can, like, replay. Can I replay from here? Okay, this is what the trade was looking like when I was looking at the charts. So on the 1 hour, I saw indication past these highs, correction. Price started to make a continuation, so I'm like, okay, cool. Scale down into lower time frames. On the 15-minute, we can see that there's very clear structure. So we're starting to make higher lows and higher highs. We're starting to push highs. And then here we can see we've broken a high here. Candle close above high, and then candle close above the level, break a structure right here after continuing up on this like bullish trend. And that's where I got it. And I was like, yeah, cool, break a structure, I'll get in, whatever. So yeah, that was my setup, and that's exactly what I would have said if it was the morning. That's exactly what I was looking for during the day. We're making higher lows here, so we just need to see if this higher low gets respected or if price wants to make a new higher low. Whatever happens, happens. On Nasdaq, it's looking pretty bearish. This was a hindsight trade, but Nasdaq is looking pretty bearish. Unfortunately, I thought it was going to push up, but it ended up rejecting off at this level again. So we could take some type of indication, correction, and continuation back below this level, which is something I've been eyeing out all day, but we'll see how it ends up playing out. But that's what I have for Nas. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. I set up a paper trading. Hello, where do I set my alert then? What? I set up paper trading on what's it called? Oh, because we're still in replay. I set up paper trading on TradingView, and it's been a little bit weird. Like, I'm not used to it. I don't trade off of TradingView. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. So we have clear resistance up here, support down here, support was broken, indication correction. We want to see a lower high being made and then a continuation, ideally below this high here, or this level here, to show that the resistance is being respected and we're pushing down for a lower resistance. And then let's have a quick look at Ethereum. Looks like we've got an overall indication, correction, and then price could make a continuation. I know BTC and Solana sold off pretty heavily. We hit a level of support here, made pretty much equal lows. We swept liquidity at these lows here, and we could potentially continue up. Solana did end up breaking the low, so we'll have to see what happens. Sorry, I don't know what happened. My thing just like randomly cut out. I was literally just talking, and then it just cut out and it didn't save. So whatever. But sorry, it's a bit loud in the background, so I have to speak louder. But yeah, I was literally just saying like, oh, gold is like not moving up, but I actually feel like my emotions are getting a lot better because I feel nothing. Like, as strange as it sounds, like I feel nothing. gonna set an alert up here though. I'm gonna go, this is what I did for my stop loss and my take profit. So position respected, and that's basically gonna tell me the high's been broken. But yeah, I don't know if gold is gonna keep what's it called, correcting, or if it's gonna go up. Like, I don't know, but if gold could make up its mind, that would be great. Otherwise, then that's fine. But anyway, let me stop over analyzing this trade. Like, I know that the setup that I had was good. I think that's why I'm so chill right now. Like, I know that my setup was good. Like, I don't feel any stress to do with my setup. I feel so confident in my setup. But yeah. Pre-market analysis, we'll use this template. Do it in my notebook. I don't think I've actually done it from this position yet. But anyway, instrument will go on gold. High time frame bias is bullish. Key levels is the high low, the low, and the indication level. Oh my god, my house is so loud right now. News, let's have a look at the news. Won't be as bad as it was yesterday. Thursday we got CPI and unemployment claims. CPI, unemployment claims. Let me just double check, make sure I got that right. I got that wrong. Good, I double checked. Oh my god, I looked at this because Thursday and I was like, oh, we got FOMC. I thought but no, it did come out yesterday. We just got unemployment claims today. I thought there was no major news. That's why when I saw CPI, I was like, okay. But no, we just got unemployment claims, so that's good. Nothing too crazy. I'm going to copy and paste that over to my NASDAQ one as well. Market conditions look trendy, but could be volatile. I'll be interested to see how New York session reacts to the FOMC price action. Well, the post FOMC price action. My bias today is buys. Setups I'm waiting for is the bullish ICC. If the higher low is broken and the lows are broken, risk management is risking 1%, one trade a day. And then NASDAQ, high time frame bias is bearish, key levels is a low, the indication level, and the previous high. We already got the news events in there. Market conditions, they look kind of volatile and choppy, but trendy on the lower time frame. The reason why I say that is because it's doing big moves, but it's doing big moves in opposite directions. So it looks choppy on the higher time frames, but I can imagine that the lower time frames, it's either pushing up and then pushing lower, and you know what I mean. Anyway, my bias today would be sells. Setups I'm waiting for is for a correction and continuation. Invalidation if price breaks the high. Risk management is 1%, one trade a day. How am I feeling pre-market? I'm feeling good and chill. Rules to remind myself. Patience pays, and the market always presents opportunities. But yeah, that is my morning analysis. Did I film a trade recap for my short form platforms? Did I? Honestly, don't think I did. No, I didn't. That's frustrating. I just liked my own video. Hold on, guys. I'm getting caught up with my comments. Sorry, I just had a minute with my comments. I didn't realize that they were like I wasn't getting like notifications on my TikTok comments. But yeah, this is my morning analysis. I'm sorry guys, I'm really tired. I just got back from the gym. But whether or not my gold trade plays out or not, the markets will decide. But yeah, this is what I'm analyzing. I'm sorry, I feel so brain dead. Like I honestly feel so brain dead. I just feel like especially after reading my comments. Sometimes reading my comments is just like really like disheartening. But it's okay. But yeah, I think the rest of the night I'm just gonna be spending studying and back testing and working towards trading, and yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. Stay tuned for my Trading Diaries episode that's gonna be coming out. I have two that are gonna be coming out, and they're both pretty interesting, but they're both like conflicting. So you'll really see a lot about like the trading journey and like I don't know. It's very authentic. It's me being so for real, and like I could choose to not say any of it, and I know that I'll probably look like a better trader if I don't say anything. But in no way, shape, or form am I claiming to be profitable. In no way, shape, or form am I claiming to have made a million bucks. I'm not trying to sell a course or anything. So yeah, I don't really have any disadvantage with being authentic. I don't know. Anyway, hope you guys have an amazing trading day. Good luck on the markets, and I'll speak to you guys very, very soon. Bye.